offered by the City of San Diego, as well as the WageWorks participant experience, going through the participant site, Easy Receipts app, and how to contact participant services team. The flexible spending accounts that are now being administered by WageWorks allow you to contribute pre-tax dollars to your healthcare and or dependent care FSA benefits via paycheck. The healthcare FSA or DMV account covers standard lists of out-of-pocket medical, dental, vision, and pharmacy expenses. The annual maximum contribution for this particular benefit is $2,650. The full election amount does become available on the first day of the plan, or this is considered a pre-funded benefit. What this allows you to do is put pre-tax dollars aside to use towards your out-of-pocket medical, dental, vision, and pharmacy expenses. Your dependent care FSA or DCC benefit allows you to put pre-tax dollars out of your paycheck to cover a standard list of child care and qualified dependent care expenses. The annual maximum contribution is $5,000. Both of these benefits do allow a grace period so that you have 14.5 months to spend dollars in your FSA account. You can incur expenses between July 1st, 2018 and September 15th of 2019. The last day to file a claim is September 30th, 2019. Now that we've had an opportunity to review the flexible spending account, we'd like to review the participant experience through WageWorks.com. The first thing that we want to review is the WageWorks.com website. As a new enrollee in the benefit, you're going to want to register. You'll do that by going to WageWorks.com, going to Log in, Register, Employee Registration. Under Employee Registration, you're going to follow steps 1 through 7 to identify yourself, enter your contact information, verify your reimbursement method, select your username and password for the site. If you click Next, you'll be asked to enter 5 key pieces of information and verify the characters shown. This is going to help us to identify you so that you can complete the registration process. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll be brought into the City of San Diego dashboard for you, participant test in this case. This will reflect your name instead of the test participant here. Under the dashboard, you'll see the programs that you're enrolled in. So if you only enrolled in a healthcare FSA, you'll only see the healthcare FSA benefit. However, if you enrolled in both, you will see both. And if you only enrolled in the dependent care FSA, you'll only see the dependent care FSA benefit. Any recent activity will flow throughout the front at the top. You should see the last 5 recent activity transactions. In this case, there's only been 1, so that's why we only see 1 here. You can review a list of all eligible expenses under the Eligible Expense tab and submit a claim or receipt under the Submit Claim or Receipt tab. Under this section, you can choose what kind of claim you would like to submit. We're going to choose the healthcare claim, Pay Me Back, and then you will follow the instructions provided to submit your claim. You'll put in your provider information or choose from the drop-down box if you already have one in the system. Select the service start date. There is an optional end date in case there was an ongoing expense. You can choose from common services. So for example, this is an office visit. Enter the amount of the office visit. Choose the patient name. It could be one that's already listed, or you can add a new patient. And then you'll click Next if there's no more items for that receipt. You're going to review the information and then submit the claim. If you have a copy of the receipt for this particular expense, you can upload that now, or you can do that later. I'm going to choose the later option. And it's as simple as that. You've submitted a new claim for your healthcare FSA benefit. You can also review your claims activity under the Claims and Activity tab, or order a dependent card under the Card Center. Under the Card Center, you're going to automatically be issued a card. However, if you would like to order a card for your dependent, you can click Order Dependent Card. You may need to add a new dependent if you have more than one. In this case, you're going to put in the first, middle, and maybe last. Middle is optional, last name is required. You'll put in the last 4 digits of the SSN. Choose the type of dependent and click Next. If you are requiring or requesting a card for your dependent child, that is away at college, it's important that you receive that and then deliver it to your child directly. You will review the cardholder and the mailing address that it will be sent to. It's important to note that this can take 3 to 5 business days to process, and then you will submit your order. You should receive your dependent card shortly. This is a quick review of the participant site. If you do have any other questions, we are going to provide our customer service phone number later in the presentation, and our customer service team will be happy to assist you with any questions regarding our site. We also have an Easy Receipt app that allows you to review your account as well as submit a receipt or claim, review claims and activity, and submit claims, including a provider signature for a dependent care benefit directly through your phone. You are going to use the same username and password that you established during the registration process at WageWorks.com. In regards to the new dependent care option, you do have the ability to use the Easy Receipt app to submit your dependent care expenses for reimbursement with a provider signature in lieu of a receipt. So as you're going through the claims process, you'll be asked if you want to provide a provider signature, and you'll be able to have your provider sign and confirm their signature, and there is no additional information that will be needed for your dependent care claim. If you do have any questions about your FSA benefits or WageWorks, please feel free to contact our participant services team at 1-877-924-3967. There are representatives available Monday through Friday from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time, excluding holidays. Thank you for joining this presentation, and we hope you have a wonderful day.